Tonight, we begin with the swift reaction still pouring in for a draft of a Supreme Court opinion that indicates a majority of the justices are ready to overturn Roe v. Wade. The U.S. Supreme Court now confirming the bombshell leak of a draft opinion seeking to overturn the Roe v. Wade decision is authentic. The court cautioning the decision draft opinion is not final, but tonight, President Biden says he's concerned that after almost 50 years, a woman's right to choose is on the line at the nation's highest court. And the Women's March already calling on supporters to hit the streets and join rallies across the country. Hundreds of activists taking to the fight directly to the Supreme Court plaza.
They are not going to get away with this. Let me say that I don't care what I have to do.
Meanwhile, conservatives are focusing their anger on the rare leak. Chief Justice Roberts directing the marshal of the court to investigate the unprecedented leak and calling it an egregious breach of trust. Republican Senate leader Mitch McConnell speaking out about the leak.
Somebody, likely somebody inside the court itself, leaked a confidential internal draft to the press, almost certainly in an effort to stir up an inappropriate pressure campaign.
If the draft opinion stands, it will mean a dramatic shift in reproductive rights in this country. Millions of American women could immediately lose their legal right to an abortion. CDC data shows nearly 93% of abortions happen before 13 weeks before a fetus can survive outside the womb. Women in their 20s account for more than half of abortions, with more black women undergoing the procedure. And a new ABC News Washington Post poll shows a majority of Americans, 54%, do not support overturning Roe v. Wade. And today, House Republican leader and local Congressman Kevin McCarthy, along with other Republican leaders, released the following joint statement reacting to the leak of the Supreme Court opinion, saying in part, quote, "This clearly coordinated campaign to intimidate and obstruct the justices of the United States Supreme Court and its independence in our political system must be immediately investigated by the court. House Republicans are committed to upholding the sanctity of life and will continue to fight to be a voice for the truly voiceless," end quote.